One of the more exciting features to come out of the Gatsby camp lately is the Gatsby Head API. As we've discussed, Gatsby clearly cares about the technical part of SEO, right? Improving your core web vitals to ensure that search engines don't penalize you for poor UX. But long before core web vitals ever existed, search engines used the content on your page and tags in your document's head to determine your site's relevance and ranking, and they still very much do. Before the launch of the Head API, Gatsby had a rough guideline for managing these tags and this content, right? We urged folks to use React Helmet and Gatsby plugin React Helmet to essentially do what the Head API does, manage the tags in the head of your document. And while this absolutely works, and it still does, we decided that it would be best to remove an extra dependency as well as make this kind of part of the framework by default. So we added the Head API. So why? Why did we add the Head API, right? We hear from developers that their site search engine optimization is something that they're constantly trying to manage, and it takes a ton of manual work. In fact, at our last Gatsby Conf, one user said it's something I have to do anyway on all sites. So it'd be great if I had the same opinionated best practice implementation as the rest of Gatsby. Well, they asked and we delivered. In 2022, we launched the Gatsby Head API, a built-in metadata management solution to Gatsby. The Gatsby Head API helps you easily update the document head of your page with zero add-on needed. This feature is built in such a way that it's 100% compatible with React streaming capabilities. And aside from updating your document head in the browser, the Head API takes it even further and automatically adds the tags into the generated HTML, so you no longer need an extra Gatsby plugin in your config file to make this work. Marketers and developers can now both rejoice because the Head API makes having a great SEO easier. Stop doing manual work and start using the Gatsby Head API, which is available on Gatsby v4 or later.